world.
Jack, and built a very...
And don't wait. Reminder, too. Michael Bloomberg sucked as New York City mayor. let's not forget. He banned salt. Or tried to. He tried to ban salt. And I think did ban the 16-ounce soda, right? Yeah, you couldn't get a 16-ounce. Was it 32?
I thought it was 32. You can only go up to 16 ounces, something like that. Which made him my number one enemy on earth.
Right.
Because soda is the most important thing in my life.
Well, you could buy 5 12-ounce and drink them all.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's stupid. It was ridiculous.
Everyone showed how ridiculous it was and silly it was almost immediately. And the salt thing is funny because we've talked about this before, that the latest science on salt shows that it actually isn't harmful.
Right.
Which is hilarious because they've been talking about this for such a long time, and you go back and look at the history of the salt thing, it's not even true.
You know what else isn't terribly awful for you if you just do it in moderation? Soda. I mean, you could have a soda every once in a while. It's not going to be a big deal.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Or you could do what I do and have 12 a day.
Right.
And that is okay, too. You know?
If that's what you want to do.
That's what you want to do.
He's not a freedom guy, though. Michael Bloomberg is not a do-what-you-want-to-do kind of guy.
Yeah, there's a certain brand of politician, and they come from both sides, right? Like, I mean, you go back to Al Gore on lyrics in rap songs. You remember back in the day, Alan Tipper, right? That's sort of...
With the warning labels?
Yeah.
It was Tipper Gore that was behind all that.
Yeah, there's sort of parental thing that some certain politicians do. And one who does it on, quote-unquote, the right, however you see him, is Mike Huckabee. He's the same way. Where, like, he wants to make sure, look, yes, I'm on board with Michelle Obama's, don't put